What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today to show you what we have found. Before we dive in, as always, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, build a huge community of cool, like-minded people, and have fun doing it. So let's roll the video. So here we go, guys. It's Nereus Finance, okay? Nereus.finance. The links will be down below as always. Overview of the website. We got the docs, the tutorials, the about WXT, the NFT, the NXUSD, and launching the app. You can see the big launch app button right here. Now, this is on the Avalanche lending protocol. I love Avalanche. It's one of the greatest cryptos out there, right? We've got here supply, borrow, and earn, landing revenue share scheme, and all on the Avalanche non-custodial lending protocol. We have Ambisafe that does the audits and the security. Super big in all of this industry. Like it says, it's the leading blockchain security firm. You can check them out by clicking this button. Multiple tokenomics, that's what we want to see. It's metaverse ready, next gen token optimized for mass market adoption. You're experiencing a new level of token utility and flexibility. They're bringing new things into this. As you can see at the bottom, we've got the actual utility, which is unlock the earning potential of the WXT and earning income. Okay, you can also stake or lock it for 50% revenue. That's 50%. Okay. Then you have the WireX utility. So it's used by 4.5 million customers worldwide. I'm going to tell you a little sneaky thing as well. If you already have this, you're going to get a free NFT when it goes. Okay, you're going to get a free minted NFT. So what are they? It includes crypto-backed rewards up to 8%, saving bonus up to 12%. Okay, Annex WireX's groundbreaking saving scheme. And of course, multi-chain. By design, it's already available on the Ethereum and Avalanche networks with more blockchains coming soon. So what exactly is it? It's the market-leading revenue share platform that pays out 50% of its protocol fees. That is huge. This is a unique opportunity, okay? Massive opportunity. Don't miss this unique opportunity to boost your income alongside an exponentially growing DeFi ecosystem. We all want to get in. Everyone talks about, oh, I wish I got in when it started. This really is starting now. As you can see here, you can claim these earlier rewards. This is what it comes up at. 5,000 WXT, okay? It's for active use right now. The more you interact with the protocol, the more you can earn it. Simple as that. Lenders and borrowers both. They both generate WXT rewards, which is subject to a 3-month vest. They have the buy and bridge WXT, as you can see here. It looks like a little solar system. This is how you show the bridging. Okay, it's new to Avalanche. To start staking and locking it in, you need to buy the actual token. You could, and via Trader Joe, you can buy it. You can bridge it from Ethereum. And guess what? You can use a credit or debit card too. All their socials are down here, and again, the links will be down below, okay? Now, talking about NXUSD, it is a stable coin. It's USD pegged, which we always want to see, okay? And it's minted by Nereus Finance. Anyone can use it anytime, anywhere. If you want to use it, just click this button. It's going to take you straight through. You connect your wallet and get involved. What's the key benefits of this? Interest-free borrowing, one-time free borrowing, farming rewards friendly, zero volatility, and maximal capital efficiency. Please do your own research, read a lot more about it. You can see here real world spending. You could literally spend this 80 million merchants across the world using the WireX card. Now guess what we're going to be talking about? The NFT. You see this godlike figure on the right hand side. You can join their Discord and the mint is coming soon. It's godlike of the sea, okay? Famed for his ability to change shape. That's who this ancient god Nereus is. And bring the truth and wisdom to the world, okay? Shift your shape, share the power. That's what we're trying to do in the world. Here's the collection so you can have a real look. There's going to be 10,000 of these made. You can read a lot more about the rarity, the 66 traits. Go down here, have a nice look. Common 84%. There's only going to be 1% that is legendary. They're going to be so incredible. I can't wait to get my hands on one of them. Something I want to show you that is super unique is the WXT token we're actually talking about, right? Look at the price. It's up 2.2% now. You know we are in a bear market. Now look at this. Even in a bear market, this token is going up. Okay? This token is going up through the bear. Looking at a 90-day one, if you want to check that, you can see through this huge bear market, we are still moving. We are massively bullish on this. Okay, super, super exciting. I'm very excited to get involved here, okay? All the statistics are on the back, and like I said, today it's up 2.2%. Super, super, super excited about this. So guys, what did you think of that? I told you it was exciting. I am super hyped about this. I've wanted something like this for a long time. So let's get it, okay? Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Let your boy George know that you love this channel. You're excited, because I am so excited. So let's get it. Hit that bell. Leave a comment. Until the next video, have a blessed day. I'm out.